Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Outlook to PandaDoc. All right. As you can see here under integrations here in the PandaDoc website, we won't be able to see Microsoft Outlook. Okay. But we do have Microsoft Dynamics CRM and Microsoft Teams. Okay. In order to integrate or connect these two, we're going to be using an integration platform like Zapier right here. And as you can see, Zapier is supported in PandaDoc. Okay. So just go ahead and open up a new tab and type in zapier.com, hit on enter. And if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create your account. Okay, click on create, Zaps, and then go ahead and select a trigger event. Trigger could be PandaDoc or Outlook. For example, I'm going to be using Outlook as the trigger. Click on Microsoft Outlook. Sign in with your Microsoft Outlook account. Wait for it. Confirm. And as you can see here, it is now loading. We have our account logged in. So click on trigger event. For example, there are new emails from Outlook. Okay. So just hit on continue, and just test. Okay. Wait for it. Just select the email record. Then once done, tap away. You got a check mark. That means that it is successfully connected. Now, all we have to do next is click on action. Now, in here, we're going to be using PandaDoc. Okay. Click on PandaDoc. Now, log in with your PandaDoc account. Once done, select an action event. Okay. For example, there are new email from Microsoft Outlook. So what do you want to happen next? For example, if there are a new email, you want your PandaDoc account to create a document or create a new contact, for example. And you have a ton of options here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and select create a document, then hit on continue. Document name. This is just for testing, okay? Sample Outlook doc template, maybe this one. Email, sender email. I'm going to add in myself. I'm going to scroll down and just hit on continue, okay? Test this step. Wait for it. And if you got a check mark right here, that means that you're good to go and it's ready for publishing. Okay, let's just wait for it. All right. So again, all you have to do next is hit on publish to make it go online, making everything right here automatic. You don't have to do anything anymore. So whenever this trigger event happens, like whenever there's a new email from your Microsoft Outlook account, Zapier right here will automatically create a PandaDoc document. Okay, that's basically it. You can now go ahead and close this one, leave, and when you go ahead over to your inbox right here, you should be able to receive the test document. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.